Okay, it has been recorded. A very good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the practical class of class 8 about the computer science that already everything is depend on the practical. If you don't have the practical, we do not face the different types of problem that we are doing in the program. Okay, so what type of problem we are going to share, how can we design, how can we do lots of work in the program, that type of related things we have to do. Then after we will share the video in YouTube also. Okay, so this is the time for the share my screen. It is my screen. I have already shared you that you can watch over there. Okay, this is my screen, and in the screen I have already shared the everything related in the computer. Okay, in my computer that already in your screen there is the different types of pictorials icon that you can say. All these types of icon is an important link of the different types of related source of program. So it is required thing for our computer work. So today, without wasting of our time, I'm going to start my class about the practical that is very, very important part of our life. Okay. So that already in the related field of computer, everything is possible because of the software now these days. We can solve lots of problem within fraction of seconds by using the different types of techniques to learn different types of idea. That every idea will recollect from the source of internet, that the source of computer profile. So this type of education is very, very important part of our life that can help us to aggressive to improve of our life. Okay, so there is a problem that problem we are going to solve here. How can we change, how can we do lots of work in our computer? I think, my dear students, you have idea how can you how to stop the computer. It means how to turn off computer, how to shut down computer. It's very rare thing that you have already know. It's a very logical thing also. Now these days computer, it has a type of sense also, that is known as the sensor. That sensor will help us to detect different types of problem by the user automatically. So if we feel tired, if you do not touch the computer, if your computer is running within 10 to 1 hours already, but you are not touching the keyboard, you are not touching any key, then computer will auto detect from the sensor. It means it will move into the idle mode, standby mode. So it's all are the important thing of the computer that is very, very important. Okay, so without wasting of our time, there is the program. About the program, how can we start any types of program? That there is two types of process. One process is by clicking on the start menu. Where is the start button? That already. This is the Windows. This is Windows 10. That's because a little bit lookup is different than the other operating software. Basically, I would like to remember one more thing. Every Windows has different types of features, different types of related work and performances also. We are using Windows 10. That's because in the Windows 10 that I'm going to show by clicking the mouse. When we click here, then our program will start. This is the point where you can click to take any program that you are going to run in your computer. These all are the list of the program. Okay, so of course we'll choose the right one. Which one we are going to choose the practical today? This practical classes will required for the structure, related education of our basic course. So in the basic course, how can we do lots of work that we are going to teach today? Of course, by clicking here, by clicking here in the start menu, we can choose from the list of the given program. It is the list of the given program. Which one you want to choose? We are going to choose here Microsoft Office. I would like to remember you one more time. Microsoft Office is one of the part of the software that is very common software. In this program, Microsoft company we launched the program in 2007. That's because it is written here Microsoft Excel 2007. If the version is 2016, it means that is the updated one. So it has different types of edition, old and latest. Of course it is the best one for my computer. That's because I'm utilizing such types of related program. It has been written here Microsoft Office Word 2007. So if in your computer there is Office 2003, 2001, 2007, 2010, 2016, 18, then don't no need to worry about this. Every Microsoft Office, every program is related like the same. So by clicking on Microsoft Word, there is the basic thing that we have to know. We have two types of way to start the program. One, by clicking on start. By clicking on start, then we can choose the Microsoft Office, then click on the Microsoft Word 2007. Another, there is another option also. By pressing Windows R, we know the Windows R in the keyboard, or there is the Windows logos, that you know, Windows identification of pictorial. That pictorial you can identify by pressing Windows R. When we press the run menu, it means run taskbar menu will appear in our computer. We can write here WINWORD. WinWord is the formal name that can accept by the computer when we type here in the run menu. Okay. After pressing OK, computer will start the program very easily. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about this program. It is very important program for the related different types of work. Let me remember what types of work that you have to do in your own organization. That when you are involved in the different organization for your personal job, for your personal work, then we can utilize such types of education to do different types of appointment letter, different types of complaint letter, different types of promotion letter, or any types of documentation we can write here in this program. So I'm going to check about the program. Here is the home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. It's all are called menu bar or standard toolbar is here. This is known as the standard toolbar. It has been already appear in our desktop, in our laptop. Okay. So it's all are the important thing that we have to discuss. We'll continue. Before starting this program, I would like to remember one more thing. In the downside, that you can look at a screen. In this area, the it has been written here 100%. What is called 100%? It means the paper size. You can increase and decrease. If you increase the paper size will increase. If you decrease the paper size will decrease. It means it is the zoom means that enlargement of the paper, that paper you can do large and small also. Okay. Hey, Babu. Hey. Okay. So we can start our program. Before I'm starting, I would like to remember you one more time. Every types of complaint letter, every types of appointment letter, your progressive report, your daily work, that we can write here. Any types of documents we can prepare. And about the related program, that you know already, there are different types of extension. About the extension, that you know already, what is called extension. Extension is one of the second file name, of course, second file name, because that you know already dot DOCX is the second name of the file that indicate the program, because doc means the Microsoft Word document. Dot XLSX is the Excel program related document. Okay. P sorry dot PPD is a another dot JPEG dot BMP. Okay, let me tell you one more time. It's all are the example of the secondary file name that you know already. This is the second name of the program. It is called the cast name. By the help of this type of identification, if you press here, I'm going to show you when we are using this. This is the file. This is the file which it has been stored in my computer, and this related types of program is related to which program. How can we identify? By clicking right mouse here, if you press properties, then computer will show it's a Microsoft Office Word document DOCX. I think my dear student, you have already identified this is a type of format file. It means those file which you have stored in your computer. This file is belongs to which program? It is related to which program? That identification will display by the support of the extension. So it's all are the extension. Basically, we are going to discuss today about the DOCX documents file. What is called documents file? Okay, by pressing Control A, I'm going to press delete here. Okay, come to the point. How can we write something here? This is the cursor that is blinking here, blinking. That blinking cursor is a stage. From that side, we can write just like our writing. Okay, how can we write? We better to utilize a little bit more function also. It is known as the element left, element center, element right. If you press the tab button, then the cursor will move automatically. Cursor will move left to right automatically. This is the major thing that you can utilize. If you press the backspace, then the computer will send the tab back side. Okay. So without wasting of our time, I would like to tell you one more time the same thing. There is the very shortcut key. By pressing Control R, if you press Control R, then Control E, then computer will send the cursor into center point. Control R, Control L. Okay, it has been written here. Right section, left section, and different types of section. Okay, so if you don't want, close again. Control N for the new paper. If you are going to write something, you don't want the paper, you can close by pressing Control W, and for no, Control N for again the new paper. Okay. By controlling R, I'm going to write here. How can we prepare our personal letter? For example, date. Okay, we can change different types of font, and font that you know already. Different types of font. Times New Roman is the better font for the writing. Okay, the date today is 010/4/2077, right? Okay, Control L for the left section. Control L for the left section. Okay, I would like to prepare my related documents. How can we prepare that? You can watch in the screen. Okay, so to the headmaster, Nepal Police School. By pressing enter, again press tab, writing here subject. Whatever subject you are going to write, that we need to decide. Okay, about the admission form. Okay, I'm going to rearrange the same thing because the gapping is different here. The gapping means one and another line. The line between one each other is very gap here. How can you manage the gaps? It has been written, it has been given here line spacing. You can watch one more time. It has been written here line spacing. In the line spacing, that you can utilize 1, that you can utilize 2.5, that you can utilize remove also. And the line spacing, there is the different certain types of function also, that you can utilize the same thing from here. At least I'm going to utilize 24. Okay, it's a 1. Which one you want to utilize, that you can use. Okay, so it has been written here about the admission form by pressing. Okay, dear sir, dear sir, madam. Okay, that you can write, I would like to inform you I am a new a student of X Xavier School from Kathmandu. Due to the lockdown, I want to admit in your school, so that I requested you to please give me the golden chance to show my ability in the favor of your favor of your own. Okay, so it's all are the related thing that we can utilize. Okay, that you can utilize. This is a type of thing. Okay, so at last we can write here. At last, I hope you will decide any. You will decide the fact things for my favor. Okay, at last, don't forget for the thank you. That is important. Thank you. Okay, in the right side section you can write here. In the right side of section you can write here yours obedient. There's the spelling mistake that we can write here by pressing here obedient. Okay, by pressing again we can press here and write Ram Narayan. Okay,
Can you tell
the
me
name.
that how do you write the obedient?
Sorry, any
Can you
problem?
tell me that? Yes, can you tell me that how do you write that obedient if is if its spelling is wrong?
Okay. Of course, I'll revise. I will revise. So don't worry. Okay, I will solve this problem. Okay, let me tell you other thing. Then after I will rejoin the same thing. Okay, my dear friend, this is the type of very important part of our program, and this is the structure of the letter that you can create by yourself in your computer, in your desktop. Okay, so there is the very basic logic thing. How can we change and how can we find the different types of related certain mistakes? How can we rectify? So it has been written here, of course, up by clicking here. If you select, this is known as select, right? If you press Control A, then computer will select all the written text in your screen, in your program. But if you want to select the particular structure of sentence, then you better to utilize by pressing, by holding the mouse and moving the correct direction. I'm going to change here the font style for your console education. That is the very important. You can change the different types of writing from your given. Okay, I'm going to change the color also, increase the size a little bit. This again, I'm going to change another font, increase the size, increase the size. The color is different. Again, by selecting this type of related text, I'm going to choose another more, this one, and the font color is this one. Okay, this is the very important thing that we have already done here, and this is the program. In the program that we can see, we can choose different types of font, different types of font color. This is known as the font color, and this is font that is available in our list of list of related font section. Okay, so there is the major thing that we need to discuss here. After selection, let me tell you, my dear student, you see, here is the first line of every line of the, that is one line, and the second line, third line, and fourth line. Every line is very equal to each other in the left section side. This is the left section side of the paper. In the right side, is it the same line? No, exactly not, because there is such types of problem that we have to do. What type of function we have to do? Of course, by selection of the related paragraph. If you press here, this is known as the control J. Control J for justify. If you press justify, then computer will rearrange the same line as per the order of your instructions. Okay, so it is the important part of the program. Okay, there is the kind information about the related of course, one more time, I would like to tell you how can we change about the subjects. Basically, we better to utilize the after selection of this one. Here is the U for the underline, I for the italic, B for bold. We can press control U for the underline. This is the important. Okay, and the question from Rani Gupta, I think, right?
No, sir, from Kusi, sir.
No, sir, from Kusisa.
Okay, Khushi. Okay. Khushi, I would like to tell you, of course, this is the very good question for you from your side. How can we replace any types of error? How can we find any types of error from the computer automatically? For your kind information, I would like to remember you, computer is a dictionary like. It's a big dictionary where every related word has been entered in the program. That's because without any types of doubt, without any types of suspicion, we can clear out such types of thing. For example, it has been written here double R, then computer will display a type of red indication, right? And if you write here, if you write here another, it has been written here green and red. What is called the curve? What is called the curve is showing here red, and what is called the green curve. It means, let me tell you, the red curve indicate spelling errors. Red curve indicate spelling errors, and green curves indicate the grammatical errors or sentence of a structure, that is mistake by writing. So how can we change? By pressing right mouse here. If you press right mouse, computer will suggest us random. It is the random? No, because we have already pressed a little bit wrong thing. Okay. Okay, now you can press. Computer will inform us. I would like to, which one you want to choose? Inform, info, infamy, informs. Which one is the good one? Of course, we can choose from the list of the given suggestions. Inform is the better one we can utilize for the correct. And by pressing junior, of course, it's a Xavier, Xavier, X Xavier is the name of the school. So it is showing here the incorrect, but we can utilize the ignore because the correct one. Okay. Another word. another thing about the correct formation of the green curve under a word, that you can press here by pressing correct option, then computer will rectify everything. Yours, we can utilize yours here like that, but it's better which one you want to choose, that is the important. Okay, so it is the major thing that by the help of this program we can prepare different types of letter, different types of complaint letter, different types of appointment letter, and many more things. So about the related program, how can we do the other job after the finishing of your writing, that this is the very important document that we have prepared here in the program. Okay, how can we store the program, store the written thing in your computer memory? Basically, it has been written here by clicking file menu. There is a save or save as. Basically, you can utilize the save and save as. What is called save? If you press save here, computer will ask, write the name here. We can write here the name, for example, Rosni. Okay, if you press here save, then computer will save. How can we know the file has been already saved? Because in the top, this is known as the title bar. In the title bar, the name that you have been already stored in your computer, it has been displayed in your top of the screen. It means the related title bar, it has been displayed. By pressing Ctrl W, if you press Ctrl W, then computer will close the paper. If you open Ctrl O, then computer will open the file where you have stored. It has been written here Rosini. If you open, then computer will open. If you want to press again Ctrl W, computer will close the paper. Ctrl O. I'm going to open letter of my father. This is also the same thing that yesterday I have already prepared for the students. Okay, so it's all are the basic thing that you can store from that side, and you can also open from the related list of recent documents also. Recent means the related documents is waiting uh, outside also, so it is known as the letter of recent document. Okay, Rosni, this is the best, better thing. Okay, so in the program we have already know uh, how to save, but the question is, how can we save the same document to other name? How can we save? Rosni, the document has been stored in the Rosni file, but I'm going to ask you, how can we store the same thing in other file name? By pressing Control. Yes, we cannot, because by pressing Control, computer will not give any types of option. Okay, let me tell you. If you press Control S, computer will not giving the any option by pressing. Then how can we save? Of course, there is another option. This is called Save As. After clicking File, Save As, then we can write here again Basu, Babu. Okay, Babu Luhar is the title word. Okay, you see, huh? You can watch here the Babu Luhar, it has been already saved. And the very important thing, my dear student, we have an important part of the related education that is very important. If the document is your personal and you don't want to share with your other friend, you don't want.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Okay, make it silence, please. Thank you. Join the class. Okay. So, how can we? The question is, if in your computer there is very important program that you have been written in your paper of the computer file. If you have already prepared your personal document, like your personal letter of your parents, when you are writing something about in the program, then someone already, the cheater is very fraud thing is the very dangerous thing that if you are using your personal computer, it's better. If the personal computer related things is move outside, then it's a very difficult to for our life. So it's better to utilize the another more option to protect against that type of unwanted victims, those who are using such types of fraud thing. Okay, so about the related types of thing, it has been written here. How can we? How can we protect? Of course, we can utilize the password. What is called password? Okay, let me tell you, my dear student. We are going to discuss about the password. This is the very important function of this program. What is called password? Password is one of the major character that we entered in the computer separately without giving such types of information to other. We are using such types of code of instructions, 0 to 9 or A to Z value, the same thing that we can utilize for the password. And the password is the very separate one that you can not share with the other. So how can you utilize the password in the related program? That is the important. That's because no one can enter in your file, no one can see or visit in your file. Click on file, there is a save as option. Let me tell you one more time. Click on file, click on save as, then we can check here. This is known as the tools option. This is the option that we can choose by clicking here tools. When you press, when you press the when you press the tools option, then it has been written here general option. We can choose the general option. If you press the general option, there is two place, password to open, password to modify, which you want to choose any one. But we better to utilize the password to modify the correct formation that you can utilize. You can utilize the both of them. Okay, so I'm going to utilize this one. I'm going to type the password. Okay. Again, I'm going to type the same password. This same the password must be same. Otherwise, computer will not accept your code. Okay. Okay. Save. Control W for the close. Okay. That file has been already closed. It means your password has been also updated in your file, in your related documents. Okay. So if someone want to open your file Rosni, then computer will sorry, it's a another file. It's a Babu. Okay, then computer will ask here. Computer will ask with us, enter the password to open the file. Enter the password to modify or open or read only. If if you are writing incorrect password, computer does not access. Okay, the password is not correct because it is the restriction word that we have been already used for my personal document. If it is my personal document, I don't want to share with others. So it is the important. If you write the correct password, then computer will give the chance to open the file one more time.
Sir,
Yeah.
class. The time is over. Six
Okay.
class.
Okay. So of course we will do. Don't worry. After the end of this class, we have 4 minutes. Then after we'll start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it's all are the it's all
Okay,
are
sir.
okay. It's all are the related thing of the program where we can store many more things. Another more thing I'm going to repeat you. After the selection of this type of related documents, we can utilize here. This is known as the text highlight color. If you press here, then your text will be highlighted with a different color that you have choose. Okay, I have already choose the color. Again, after the selection, we can choose the font color. We can choose the font color is the different. After the selection, again we can utilize the another color. Okay, after the selection, we can utilize the font color. This all are the different function that you can utilize for the extraction of your document. After the selection of the same thing, we can utilize no color, and again after the selection we can utilize the correct function of the color. These all are the basic things of the related class of the practical classes, and that is the major thing that you have already know, I think, and everything is important for us. Okay, another thing, how can we express for the different types of shortcut key also I'm using here. Of course, if you want to select by using the control A, if you press the control A, computer will select all the text. But if you want to select the particular text, then you better to utilize the mouse by moving the correct direction. Then after you can press here copy. This is known as the copy and cut. What is called copy and cut? I'm going to discuss here. What is called copy and cut? If you press copy here, we can press copy. Otherwise, we can press Control C for copy. Okay, I have already pressed here copy, and I'm going to give the location here. Control V for the paste. Control V for the paste. We can utilize many more. Control V, many more, many more. Okay. Then after selection Control A, we can delete. But let me tell you, my dear student, we have already deleted all these files. Before starting, I'm going to close here. I'm going to close here the program. Then the computer will ask, do you want to save the changes to Babu Ulhar? If you press no, then your old document is stored. Your new document, your new any types of changes will not store in your program. I have already stored the old thing. You see, password 123. I have already entered. Look at the screen. This is the major thing that you have to discuss. Okay, about the cut related thing, I would like to inform you. I'm going to cut by pressing right mouse. Also, we can utilize the cut, giving the location by pressing right mouse, paste. Again, Control X for the cut, give the location, Control V for the paste. This is known as the cut and paste related thing. Okay. So, my dear student, of course, we have already going to very close of the 40 minutes. That's because I would like to, my dear students, this video is recording already. It's going to record already. That's because when I will share the video, when I will send the link to your messenger, please pass to the other student who is not appear in the class. Okay. So thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye,
Bye bye,
sir.
sir.